I just got my S-Line 458 exhaust. Arrived today. Gonna do an unboxing. Excited to open it up. Here we go. Everything looks okay. Let's see what we got. Looks like a heat shield. Another heat shield. All right. And that is the exhaust. Here it is. S-Line exhaust for the 458. Looks pretty. So the cool thing about this exhaust is the X pipe. That is not a muffler, that's actually the X pipe. And the reason it's cool is because it's what's supposed to make that high pitch F1 sound. So one thing I wish this exhaust did have is triple exhaust. Right now, this is only for a dual setup. What that means is one of the three tailpipes from the OEM 458 exhaust will not be utilized. But that's a small compromise. I think it's still going to sound great, and that's the main reason I got this exhaust. Here's my 458. Was debating on whether I should install it or not, but I think I'm just going to go ahead and do it with some friends. I think it's going to be a fun project, but it will be an all-day job. That's my prediction, but let's do it on the next video.